Yeah. Getting some flurries today. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. The Gladdy's seeing its first snow. Only a little dusting, but might be able to have a little fun with her. Whew. It's pumping in here. So when you remote start the new Gladiator, it tosses on our heated seat, blasts the heat on full, and also turns on a nice heated steering wheel. Certainly something that's nice to come out to on a cold, snowy morning like this. Unless, of course, you don't feel pain and you don't feel cold, but I definitely do. I definitely enjoy the little things, especially during COVID right now. So this is a nice little treat for sure. Let's hit it. All right, we're back here at the HQ. Time to hop out and get to work. All right, folks, so I just got back from East Coast Tire, and just to clear up any confusion, I brought down originally the new 4 wheels and tires, and I was just gonna have them put rubber valve stumps in, but even they said you should really keep the functionality of the TPMS. We didn't want to buy a second set, but they had the idea of swapping over the stock, so I ran the stock wheels down, they pulled the stock sensors, put them in our new RockTrix wheels. Now they're gonna hook up to the car right away automatically. We might have to reset them, but not a big deal. At least they'll be paired and programmed, ready to go. And we have rubber valve stumps over in the stock wheels and tires. But here we go, it's time to reveal the RockTrix rims. Without any further ado, here are the RockTrix RT105s, finished in black. They also have them in bronze/gold. They look really good, and I bet they would look sick on this truck, but we went with black, which is gonna be awesome. Gonna murder this thing out. I'm gonna ask if we can do some gloss black on the bumper trim. Think that would look good. Maybe delete these reflectors, and she'll be sitting pretty. But back to the wheels. Yeah, I just changed the light settings because it occurred to me that I had this light set all the way to the warm setting, which makes it look a little bit warmer than it is. So a little bit more accurate representation here of the color. Also, I brought over a stock wheel and tire just to do a little size comparison here for you all. Not a massive height difference. We're talking, I don't know, 1.5 inches, maybe an inch. But width difference, I can put my hand across the entire stock tire. This one I can't at all. So this is a lot more meat. Definitely a much more aggressive tread pattern here from Nitto. Love the Ridge Grappler tires. They also have the sick side lug right here. And this is a fat tire. This is a 285/70, so we've got some nice beef to it. Probably sticks out an inch or so past the wheel. So nice little cushion from curb rash there, I guess. But definitely looks sick. Let's get these bad boys on there. A lot of travel on those stock shocks there. Finally on the ground here. Nice little bit of poke. Nothing too major, but definitely got some poke here. Nice amount up front. Oh man, this is looking even better than I thought. Woo! Damn. Guys, this looks killer. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think I nailed the tire size on this. I'm glad I went with the 285/70. It was a little bit cheaper, a little bit more friendly to our budget, and I was a little concerned, but they look fantastic. Love the look in the Nitto Ridge Grappler tread there. Here's the total stance from the front. She's nice and stanced out. Oh yeah, baby. Not exactly sure where we left off. Just had dinner. Back out here in the garage. Got to torque down all of our lugs, of course. 130 foot-pounds is the recommended torque spec on the Gladiator. So I'm gonna torque these things down, pull her outside. So I just remembered another thing I forgot to mention about these RockTrix wheels. Something I like, aside from them looking awesome, is we can fit a full-size, thick wall, 19mm socket right in here with room to spare and tighten those things down. I've run into a lot of issues on my JKU with my fuel off-road wheels. I love the wheels, they look great, but man, is it a pain finding the right socket to get in those wheels. And if you're on the side of the road with a problem, which I have been, it's a real pain because your friend might bring one of these and you won't be able to tighten down your lugs. So huge for an off-road vehicle that could be losing a wheel. Can fit a nice big socket in there and not have any problems. Hold on, we're missing something. God damn, does that thing look good. Holy smokes. You didn't tell me, I would probably think these are method race wheels, to be honest. And I'm pretty sure that's the look RockTrix was going for. Similarity in the name there, RockTrix racing wheels. I don't know if that's a coincidence, but they definitely look really good at a fraction of the price of method race wheels. And yeah, I'm also super stoked that I could get my 19mm full-size socket in there. They fit really well. I think they did a great job determining the back spacing on these. Don't recall, I think I did +10, but I'm not positive. Check the description down below and I'll be sure to clarify that. But the fitment is terrific. It looks really good. Like, these wheels were almost made for the Gladiator. And these tires also fit phenomenally as well. We don't have any sort of rubbing issue up front. I'll do a turn of the wheel. Nice clearance up front. And all the way to the left. We also have nice clearance from the frame rail. Hard to show you guys, but nice clearances all the way around. They look really fitting. I'm stoked on it. So I've yet to even go for a ride on these new wheels and tires, and I probably won't until the truck is completely done and ready to be shot and delivered to the customer. Scotty, boom boom, I know you're watching this. So I'm probably not going to take it on the road. It's just not worth it to me. It's going to fling salt and dirt and sand all over the car, and then I'll have to wash it. So we don't want that. That's going to wrap up this video on the RockTrix RT105s along with 33-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. They fit perfectly on the Gladiator. I'm sure they would fit in stock form, but I wanted to bring the nose up just a little bit on this. So I put those 3/4 inch pucks up front, and it's sitting really nice. If you enjoyed this video, please go smash that like button, subscribe for more Jeep content, and I'll see you guys next time on JD Cars.